Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Wednesday, the 13th of May. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. All right. So we had clouds roll in last night. We got a lot of clouds out there. Temperatures today in the low 60s. Air moistening up a little bit, not quite as dry. Is there going to be a shower? Maybe. Between like 10 and 2, there could be a little shower, especially from the Mass Pike North. That includes Boston. I doubt it, but it's not impossible. So just be aware of that for today. Now, tonight, again, could there be a shower? Sure. Are most of us going to see them? No. Temperatures tonight near 50 degrees. Now we have this evolving weather system coming in here tomorrow. So it's a little complicated. You basically have this upper level weather system that's going to come in and spawn off a low pressure area right over us pretty much. And exactly how that low tracks and how much moisture there is going to determine how much rainfall we get. So what happens is there's a low over the Great Lakes during the day today, and then that's going to spin off a secondary down around New York City. That'll kind of meander south of us. If that storm that's meandering south doesn't really get its act together, we won't see much rain. If it becomes a little more enhanced, we could see some downpours and the rumble of thunder. It kind of meanders around us into Friday, so that's why Friday morning there's a couple of showers around, and they should be out of here. And then we get real warm over the weekend, and that warm weather is going to last into the middle of next week, with temperatures getting into the 70s to near 80 degrees on Sunday. Could be the first day some of you head to the beach. So we need the rain. I'm hoping we get soaked here Thursday night, but basically not much today. Developing tomorrow. Mostly Thursday night and the first half of Friday. Warm and sunny over the weekend. Have a great day, everybody.